All right, this is the video lesson for 2.2 dividing fractions. How do I divide fractions? Our entry task is 2/5 times 3/4. As a reminder, in order to multiply fractions, you just have to multiply across. So 2 times 3 is 6. 5 times 4 is 20. That is not simplest form. So I'm going to use the ladder method to find simplest form. 6 and 20 are both divisible by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 3 is a prime number. 3 does not go into 10. So this is the end of our ladder. And so 6/20 in simplest form is 3/10. All right, today we're going to start off with a vocabulary word, reciprocal. Reciprocals are a pair of numbers that when multiplied equals 1. And so the reciprocal of 3 is 1/3. Because if you put 3 as a fraction, it's 3 over 1. So 3 over 1 times 1 over 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Right, the reciprocal of 3/4 is 4/3. Because 3/4 times 4/3, 3 times 4 is 12, 4 times 3 is 12, 12 over 12 is 1. Right, so dividing fractions will involve the word reciprocal. I forgot to write it in our notes, but I'll write it right now. Dividing fractions, the real math term is called multiply by the reciprocal. That is the math way of saying divide fractions. But the fun way to divide fractions is called keep, change, flip. So if I had the expression 2/5 divided by 8/10, you keep the first fraction, change divide to a multiply, and then flip the second fraction. So now 8/10 becomes 10/8. Once you have this, you can now just multiply like normal. Now multiply like normal. So 2/5 times 10/8. 2 times 10 is 20. 5 times 8 is 40. I can divide by 10, which gives me 2/4. I also know that 2/4 is 1/2. There that is. So let's do another example 2, and then I'll have you try it. Oh, I forgot to write what the try it was, so I'll have to find it in a second. But evaluate 1/4 divided by 3/4. You want to keep, change, flip. So we'll keep the first fraction, 1/5. Change the division to a multiplication, and then flip the second fraction, 3/4. 3/4 now becomes 4/3. When you multiply across, you have 1 times 4, which is 4, and 5 times 3, which is 15. 4 and 15 do not have a greatest common factor. The greatest common factor is 1. So 4/15 is simplest form. All right, I'm going to pause real quick and find the try it for you to do. All right, why don't we do 1/2 divided by 1/8. Go ahead and try it. Push pause and try keep, change, flip. All right, so keep, change, flip. We will keep the 1/2, change division to multiplication, and then flip the 1/8. So now that's 8 over 1. And then we will multiply across. 1 times 8 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Awesome. So let's go see what the assignment is today. We took the notes, and our assignment is Edpuzzle. So if you are in my 6th period, the link is here. If you're in my 4th and 5th period, the link is here. It just looks a little different because you guys are doing it on different days. But you click on the Edpuzzle. You push play, and every little tick, there'll be a question. And then you click submit. That's all there is to it. If you have any questions, go ahead and send me an email. Have a wonderful day.